How to remove watermark from existing photo. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is open up a gallery application. Now open up the photo. Now tap on edit. Now tap on AI editor. Now tap on AI eraser. Now circle the watermark. Now wait for some time. Now simply tap on done. Now click on done. Now tap on save. Now the next method is open up Google Photos on a device. Now open up the photo, tap on edit, now scroll to the right, now tap on tools, now tap on magic eraser, now wait for some time, now circle the watermark, now wait for some time, repeat the process for 1 or 2 times, and that's it. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.